What's up guys, it's me, Ramay. So please do not use a wooden floor in your home where a lot of water can go insidely. You can see this floor is damaged due to the water. This wooden floor has been rotten. This floor is really expensive. I spent around 5,000 US dollar. Now see what happened. You can see the entire water inside. This floor has become rotten. When the floor has become rotten, it is the paradise of cockroaches. In some of my previous videos, a lot of people say, Jimmy, where the cockroaches are coming? I keep my room very clean, but I could not understand the source of cockroaches. And then I dig deeper. I start trying to feel the sound. When the floor is damaged or rotten, the sound is a little bit damp and it's a little bit hollow, not damp, a little bit hollow, and then it becomes damp at the bottom. There, that is a sign. When the floor is like solid wood, no water damage like new, it will be solid sound, like the sound will reflect up. When the floor is damaged, the sound will not come out, the sound will not bounce, the sound will go inside the floor. It will try to absorb it. That is a sign the floor is damaged. And then I started removing the floor. The cameraman, can you show the floor? What a useless cameraman I have. Can you show the floor? Video. So the cameraman, can you show the floor? The floor is really very damaged. I mean, let me show you. For example, you see the floor is entirely damaged. The floor is damaged. You can see from here, the cameraman. The entire floor is damaged just due to stupid water. Do not use a wooden floor. I hate wooden floor. The good thing of wooden floor is that if you have kids, I mean, people die a lot every year from marble tiles and granite floor. Because it's hard. When you fall down, your head hard and you die. But when you hit this floor, is how to say it try to absorb your body shock, and then you do not get any like physical bleeding damage most of the time. It's very rare to have someone fall down on a wooden floor, he died. That is a good thing. But I would suggest you only to use in like a living room or where you watch TV, where the kids play. Do not use where I live in an apartment. I don't know where the water comes. Sometimes, in apartment, due to humidity, the water can come inside. I think so this has happened due to humidity. Rotten wooden floor. Please do not use a wooden floor at your home. This is my sincere advice. For 3 days I'm trying to remove this floor alone. I asked how much they are going to. I asked some handyman and floor removal. They said 7,000, 8,000. I said screw you. Because installing wooden floor is easy, removing a rotten wooden floor is hard. Because when I'm going to pull up, there's so many layers, it starts breaking. But I'm Jimmy, Geek, I'm removing it by myself.
Allah fahab li